mounted
Lagay.
and coming to us, okay? Try to catch them. Okay, kill this, kill this, kill the guards, 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 kill the guards. Yeah, smash the gate, everybody just hold yourself aside.
Bakil ng guard.
Yo,
Kill the guards, boys, kill the guards.
You cleanse the...
Yeah, kill the guards, brawlers, kill the brawlers.
Heal.
Brawlers, kill my front line. Right, this one, fine. Demon, bang. I come back southwest. Just smash that, it's okay, just smash that. Give me space,
Basag na movie ah.
Demon nyo yung longbow bomb,
Just wait. Yo, come southwest,
Madami na sila south movie.
Yeah, come southwest. Can we catch the south then? Can we catch them? The Griffin Emperor outside. I come back.
Can you GA? Faster.
He's getting kidnapped, what the fuck?
Valiant. Alright.
Come northwest.
GA fast guys. GA ba sa akin?
Who's
Your
that?
blood
Is
was
that
in
Summers? That's Summers. I know Summers is here already somewhere.
Yung blob ba, Mugi?
Yeah. Who's that?
Try ko.
I think that's Summers. Can somebody check?
Alright ha. Yung clock pala to northwest.
Mugi, can we catch this? Yung mga one shot na to?
Yeah, come back. Yeah.
Summers, Mugi.
Mahirapan
Summers.
kami mag-
Ay,
16 days.
So can we... You listen, tanks, can you start smashing over the wall? You
spotted
listen,
sila.
only Guardian over here, and heal the tanks. Tanks stick to the south side. Okay? Yo, heal my tanks over the wall, Heal my-
Ikaw lang ako
heal
One
my-
tank behind, one tank behind. Huwag kayo mag-block lahat. Kilala ng tank
Zep, go behind Zep ha. Zep na lang yung anti-foot natin.
Nasa petangan.
Ready.
Nice.
Can you follow? One person must stay mounted and follow where Griffin is.
Is Mugi. Dismounted. Dismounted. They going second gate na. Second gate.
Come to me. Can you clear the guards here? Brawlers. Kill the guards
Third
here.
gate sila, third gate.
Yeah. Just smash that gate, okay? Kill the guards here.
Going out.
Going out where?
Far east.
Are they following Summers? No.
Summers yung sinasabi ko.
Ay, hindi. Yung inaanap kay Griffin Emperor.
Andito pa yung caller, andito pa inside. Caller, inside.
Yeah, listen.
Nasa alert.
Summers,
Kill the guards here.
stepping up
Brawlers,
Summers
kill the guards here.
Nasa
Yeah,
alert.
stay outside first, okay?
Longbow
Longbow
Anglo
na choke. Longbow ba miss
Nag-invi.
Longbow ba miss hindi?
Wala akong E ah. Summers small gate ah. Summers small
Si
gate.
Longe ha. Nakastack pa to.
Listen. Can we kill these mortars here on the south side? Yeah, spread. You listen, watch Griffin Emperor, okay? They're gonna be mounted. Make sure to hold them on that choke. They only have one exit. That choke.
Parking for is mark the skull.
Most
Most of them naka
That choke is their only exit, okay? That choke is their only exit. Kill this here. Roll this mortar here. This one. We have time.
Yung Summers. Yung Summers.
Where?
Okay.
No.
East.
Okay.
Hindi ba tayo atake yun? Nasa east na
Black. Sige, nakatingin ako sa black.
This one.
They're on
Sige,
stepping up
sige,
sa
sige.
other gate.
Yo,
Gate pala.
stuck ka lang
Holding
sa
sila sa Lord Room Mugi.
Yeah.
Nasa chest sila, nasa chest.
Yo, Marley ka come now.
Walk yung Mugi is most.
Wait, hold.
Wait. Okay, bumabalik sila ng small gate. Mag-gate pala.
Hold on. This way. Yo, can we kill tank shallow here? Yo, my Earthrunes be pull, okay? May pull them.
Yung-
Just
yung
double pull them.
Meron
Just
kay
wait,
3
come
bomb yung Summer Brimstone. Mugi is mo
Careful,
nice.
Careful.
Hindi sila.
Behilok is. Behilik is. Bet siya yung bridge.
Everything, get ready. Hold. You try to kidnap tank shallow on the tanks. 5,
Ah,
4, 3, 2, 1 shallow tank. Come back. Damage is too slow. Come back.
Lumabas sila.
Exalted. Come back.
Poggle ng DC.
Brawl this. Tell me where they're going.
I need to remount.
No, Summers. And then tell me where Griffin Emperor is.
Juro, di ka makaremount dyan. Dito na tayo mag-remount malapit. Zep, just watch us. We need to remount.
Hindi na yung longbow bomba.
Okay.
Punta tayo dito. Abot tayo dito ng Indy.
Alright, we have a lot of time. We have
Yeah, problem natin yung all rise. Yung all rise, yan ay all rise. All rise, hitting us ha. Wait, yung mga
just
bago
come to
mag.
us here. Just come to us here. Here. You can
Yes,
remount
Mamugi.
here. You can remount here. Over the wall here. Why you guys so there?
Nag-engage sila sa Griffin.
Yes, wait.
Mamaya, mamaya, sir.
Yung may
Yeah.
battle mount silence, make sure to use your, use the silence. Okay, this way. Careful yo, watch East side watch East side Summers, watch East side Summers. Yo, can we try to kill tanks, please? All brawlers, go clap first, okay? We kill tanks first. You kill this guard here, kill the guard here. Yo, tank, watch my East side, please, okay? Careful,
Brimstone.
brim bomb. Everyone shallow, northeast, get ready. Wait, come back. It's okay. Wait. Hold on, Drogi, alam ko na. Stuck ka dito sa northwest side dito. Dito ka mag-stuck sa northwest side. Yo, Malika, get ready. Yo, kill the guards here inside. Just hold. Yo, tanks, watch my northeast side, please. Watch my northeast side, okay? Just hold.
Ako na sa
Pag may stuck ka na
northeast.
dyan,
Ako na sa northeast. Watching
Yo, listen. We engage shallow, we pull back fast, and go west side away. Just hold.
I wanna go deep. Fuck.
Just wait. Nah, this shallow is fine. Yo, Earthrun, tulungan nyo. Hatakin nyo papunta sa, sa jug mamaya. Get ready. Yo, Marlika, wait. Kill the guards here. Brawlers, kill the guards here. Okay, wait. Oh, you look at the juggernaut, okay? Very
Mag-engage
shallow.
sa Summers.
Oh, shallow northwest. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northwest. Okay, pull back. Come back. Cleanse. Come back. Okay. No. Heal up. Wait, Tony. How big is Griffin now? Can see there.
19. 19.
Sila namamatayan.
Yeah, kill this tank inside. Can we kidnap tanks inside? Wait. Marlika, step up again. Get ready. Northwest shallow again. Okay, step up. Oh. Kill the Lord here. Actually. Can we kill the Lord here? Yeah, watch Summers, Yo, just hold the
Nasa
Lord here.
Mulgate Summers,
Do not push the Lord. Oh my god, healers. Why do you have to step back then? Yo, get ready, Marlika. Shallow, get ready. Shallow north, okay? Shallow west on the tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west on the tank. Come back fast. Cleanse. Locus. Pull back.
Walking.
Cleanse my backline. Okay, cleanse my backline. Heal up over the wall. Okay, get ready. We're gonna engage inside on the tanks inside. Hold the tanks inside. Inside, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Now spread west side. Come back west side. They're gonna push. Spread west side. Heal my tanks over the wall. Spread. Yo, they're pushing. Keep kiting. Tanks on them. Keep kiting. Cleanse on the choke. Okay, hold now. Pass southwest choke. Hold pass southwest choke. We're gonna turn northeast soon. 5 seconds. Get ready. Hold them. Kill everything inside. Get ready. Northeast on the choke. Everything. 5, 4, 3. Northeast choke now. Now spread southwest. Hold on me. Heal up. Roll inside. Roll them inside. Tanks, hold the choke. Hold the choke, boys. Hold the choke. Spread the ball.
Oh,
Nice.
please.
Heal up my front line. Marlika, get ready. Roll inside. Get ready. We're gonna engage northeast. Get ready. Northeast on the choke. 5, and then 4, 3, 2, 1, and then on the choke now. Nice. Now kill everyone here.
Get ready to hold Summers baka atakin tayo na Summers. Guys.
Oh, no.
Get ready to hold Summers.
Okay, come southwest outside. Click. Yo, listen. Come outside. Come southeast side. Come out, boys. Come out. Stop looting. Come out.
Labas.
Okay, now start smashing gate.